Every time you put phone callers on hold, you're not only losing an opportunity, you're annoying your best prospects. The Informer is the unique marketing tool that gives your callers information you want them to have. Every time they have to, hold on. The following are samples of our clients' actual Informer messages on hold.
Welcome to Karp's True Value Hardware, family owned and run for 3 generations in the heart of Stamford. Why waste time in the big warehouse stores where you can never find what you need? Working in the garden? Our complete selection of long-handled garden tools will help make the job go quick. We also have pruning, lopping, and head shears.
Instead of listening to silence or someone else's favorite radio station, you can deliver the right message to the right people at exactly the right time. So don't just put your callers on hold. Give them the Informer.